Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm back with another Honkai Star Rail tutorial and we will be learning how to take a photo in Honkai Star Rail. Taking photos in Honkai Star Rail is easy using the game's inbuilt camera feature. First of all, open the Honkai Star Rail game on your device, and once you're in, go ahead and make sure that you're inside this game. After you're in, go to the top left corner and tap on the mobile phone icon. It will open up this several menu on the screen where you need to tap on the camera icon on the right. After you tap on the camera icon, you'll see this camera. Move the camera around to frame your photo. Adjust the angle. You can zoom in or out by tapping on this slider at the bottom and dragging it towards the right or left. If you want to take a wide angle photo, just go ahead and drag it towards the left. And once you are done, to customize your camera, go to the top left corner and tap on this menu icon. And in the camera settings, you can go ahead and face the camera. If you tap on face the camera, the character will face towards the camera. You can also turn on the hide personal info section, hide the game logo, turn character around, just like that. Default to first person POV. If you've got any pet, you can also hide them by toggling on this bottom menu. If you want to change the character's poses, click on this little Actions tab on the left. Select the available actions. For expressions, select this last option on the left. Choose the expression you want for your character. After making the selection, if you are happy with the poses, you can then go to the right corner and tap on the camera icon to take the picture. Now you'll be able to take a picture. The screenshot will be shown on the screen. To save the screenshot on your album, tap on Save and you'll be able to save the picture. So that is how you take a photo in Honkai Star Rail. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.